afternoon, Outliers. How y'all doing today? Happy Tuesday. That feels like a Monday. May 28th, the year of our Lord 2024. Quick housekeeping items. Next week and the week after, I'm on vacation, so you won't find me. The trading room will not be held, but Outlier will still be updated every single day. This Friday we have a web class. Not a web class. We changed those. They're not called web classes anymore. Special live streams. That'll happen right before Friday's trading room. I will probably, well, I can tell you right now, I will not be putting on any trades Friday. If we have any on that day, I'll be taking them off only. And that is the coming plans. Now, I did see on Outlier this morning that it did not update from Friday. And I'm wondering if it is a glitch to do with the holiday. I don't know if Mahesh or Mark are watching live, but if they are, maybe they can jump in. But it's the same as it was on Friday. We had 6 on the bull list Friday, 147 on the bear list on Friday. And so to me, that's a very bearish sign, right? When you have that's not 10, that's not 20, that's more than 20 times more stocks on the bear list than on the bull list. I'm not looking to go long anything right now. But let me say hi to everybody. Hey, Kenny, glad you made it again. Goran, good afternoon. Brian is here. So Outlier did not update like we were just talking about. However, I emailed Mahesh yesterday because I told you guys I wanted to create an indicator. It's going to look somewhat like MACD, where it shows the number of stocks on the bull list versus bear list, and then have like a moving average to go along with it, right? Somewhat like I used to do for MMFI. Let me show you what I mean. MMFI being market breadth indicator. And so basically it'll look somewhat like this, where it's going to be number of stocks on the bull list, and then over 50, under 50%, and then having moving averages around it. It's actually going to look a lot like this is my intention. And then having that be a secondary indicator to go along with this, because I know for a fact that winning streak we were on recently, we nailed it. But I also know for a fact that it was while more and more stocks were going on the bull list, right? The amount of stocks that were available to purchase out in the universe were growing versus the number of stocks out in the universe to buy is shrinking right now. More on the sell list is what I'm trying to say. So I know for a fact that we can build an indicator around that. Mahesh said it's going to be a while before the actual indicator is ready. So I'm going to build my own and we're going to use it in the trading room together. You, in theory, could do the same thing. Just update it every single day, with that count, and then you'll be in the same spot that I am. But I do have access from the devs where I can download that information. So that is coming. I wanted it today. Mahesh said it's not ready because this is where I was going with that. They are onboarding, he said, at least 300 new stocks. So we have about 1,600 in Outlier right now. And he said they're onboarding them today, as in like the last few days. And so my request got pushed until they finish those onboardings. So that's coming really, really soon. So that's exciting. We'll have at least 300, maybe even more stocks to choose from on our list on a daily basis. So that's really cool. Michael, he must not have a Tuesday that feels like a Monday, but I'm glad he's here. Hey, Jean-Louis, glad you're here. Randy, good to see you, my friend. Sounds like a neat indicator. It's going to be really, really cool when it rolls out. But in the meantime, we can make our own. We can make it work. This is the Outlier trading room. So I'm not even going to go through the process today because we don't have new buy and sell signals, but let's just jump in the market, see what's going on, right? We do have the 10 over the 20, prices over the 50. So the market is still very strong right now, although drifting sideways. Now, I don't remember. I think it was this big down day. I had emailed Mahesh in the morning. I said, I think we're due for a pullback, and we got it on that day. I'm still feeling that, right? If we don't start seeing more stocks on the bull list, what's left to do? If everybody's already on the buy list, what's left to do is sell. And I think that's exactly where we're at right now. People are taking profits, and it wouldn't be too much of a surprise for me to see this start drifting down a little bit. I think the market momentum has definitely run out. Let's look at MACD. MACD is one of those momentum indicators. Let's take a look at that real quick. Not one I trade with, but just interesting to look at. Yeah, you can see how the MACD was rising, right? That was when we were making big bucks as well on our nice winning streak. And you can see the MACD. If you follow this indicator, I don't, has crested and is now starting to come back down. So it wouldn't be surprising to me if we did see somewhat of a sideways to near-term pullback. But I could be totally wrong, right? That's the way it goes with trading. You put on trades with the best information you have, and in theory, that is the best possible trade you could make, but sometimes it just doesn't work out. And that's why you position size correctly, because on those times where it doesn't work out, you don't want to blow up, right? Larry Hyatt, one of my mentors, one of the original market wizards, his quote is, what does he say? It's, you have to bet in order to win, but you can't bet if you've lost all your chips. So you got to play to win, but you can't play if you've lost all your account to play with. So that's going to wrap it for today. I'm going to go get a haircut. As you can see, this is out of control. So the next time you see me, hopefully I'll look a little sharper. Y'all have a fantastic afternoon. We will still be meeting the rest of the week. But my likelihood of adding to the portfolio is pretty low, as I will be out for the next 2 weeks. And pro tip number one, above everything else, if you can't monitor your portfolio, don't take trades. So that's what I will not be doing, but I will be doing this for you. So I'll see you right back here tomorrow. Talk soon.